breaking, and updates in the Ralph Yarl case. Now let's get to it.
That happened in Missouri. This week, the family of the 17-year-old filed a civil lawsuit against the 84-year-old white homeowner who shot the teen in April of last year. Scripps News Kansas City reports the civil lawsuit is an attempt to put pressure on Lester's criminal trial, which is scheduled for later this year.
Talking about Ralph Yarl moving forward puts a smile on his mother's face.
We have two finalists. Thank you. Two college finalists.
The soon-to-be 18-year-old is about to graduate from Staley High School.
Hey everyone, welcome to the mix. Like, share, subscribe per usual. For those who are new to my channel, I pre-record most of my videos. I typically go live on the weekend, so head on over to my video section and check out some of my live content. Yes, thank you very much. If you're interested in donating, hit that Cash App right here. Further donation information is in the description section of this post. I have Zelle, I have Cash App. Thank you very much in advance for your contribution. All donations go towards content enhancement creation. You guys to listen to this video? Yes, listen to it from beginning to end. I won't keep you all long. Now, let's jump right into the topic. Okay, everyone, welcome to the mix. As you can see, this is Legal Tuesday, yes, and I have an update on Ralph Yarl. How are you guys doing this Tuesday? I hope your week is going off or getting off to a great start thus far. I hope your mental health is in order, intact. If not, seek help, seek counseling, or confide in someone you truly trust. You know, certain things that's probably going on in your life. If it's not, and hopefully it's not for some, because we want all goodness, all good news, and all good things. But if there's some challenges you're facing, speak about it to someone, like I said, that you trust. Pray, whatever that may look like for you in whatever capacity you're in from a mental or spiritual perspective. And even if it's non-spiritual, but I encourage spiritual, just, speak to someone, get it out, go from there. Our mental health is the catalyst for how our day will go from day to day. And I know life happens to all of us. But okay, back to Legal Tuesday, Ralph Yarl update. And see what this video is going to be about, and I think that this is good, some good news. I'm going to go ahead and share an excerpt of this article that I came across. I'm gonna dive into. I might go over the entire article. If I do not, of course, obviously head on over to the website, read it at your leisure. So Ralph Yarl update, Legal Tuesday. Thank you all for your continued support. Okay, you guys, this is usatoday.com. I'm citing from family of Ralph Yarl files lawsuit against Andrew Lester Homeowners Association after the 2023 pow-powing. The family of Ralph Yarl, a black teenager who was SHOT in April of 2023 after going to the wrong house in Kansas City, Missouri, has filed a lawsuit against the white homeowner who SHOT him. The lawsuit filed Monday by Yarl's mother, Cleopatra Nagby, in Clay County Circuit Court accuses Andrew Lester, 85, of being careless when he SHOT Yarl in the head, and arm without warning on April 13, 2023. Yarl, who was 16 at the time, you guys, was severely injured and suffered a traumatic brain injury. He's still recovering too, you guys. It's not over when it comes to his mental state and his brain development. Hopefully it is over, but this is something that's serious injury. So, okay, the article further cites, at all times relevance, plaintiff Ralph Yarl never posed or issued a threat to defendant Andrew Lester, the lawsuit says. At no time relevant to circumstances giving rise to this litigation did plaintiff Ralph Yarl do anything that warranted defendant Andrew Lester brandishing a firearm at him. The article further cites Yarl's family also is suing Lester's homeowner association, Highland Acres Homes Association, saying the association was aware of or should have been aware of Lester's propensity for violence, access to dangerous weapons, and racial animus, according to the lawsuit. The suit says the association had a duty to exercise reasonable care regarding the use of a firearm in and on the properties making up the association. This is interesting. Lester was charged with first-degree assault and armed criminal action. If convicted, he could face life in prison. I'm still not, and this is me interjecting in the mix, I'm still not rocking with the charges. First-degree assault. I'm not rocking with the charges. Sheesh. Okay, the article further cites Lester pled not guilty to the charges in April 2023, but the case was moved to the state's circuit court for trial because the court's lower court cannot try felonies. He again pleaded not guilty to the charges in September 2023, and the trial was scheduled to begin October 7th this year, meaning October 2024, obviously. The the Pow Pow drew national attention, sparking widespread protests and calls for Lester's arrest. The incident, along with several other wrong-place Pow Powing last year, also reignited debate about the country's stand your ground laws, which govern a person's right to use reasonable force, including deadly force, in self-defense. Hey you guys, so what are your thoughts? Again, this is Legal Tuesday. Like this video, share this video. Thank you guys for your continued support. Again, those domestically and internationally. So what do you think about the civil suit? I read something somewhere that somebody said, yeah, get his money before he, Lester who pow-powed Ralph Yarl. They basically saying before he's up on out of here because he's in age, he's an elder and all of that. So some people don't expect for him to live that long. But hey, you never know, you guys. You never know. But I thought that was like, oh, okay, wow. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts, you guys, down in the chat. Do you think Ralph has a case against Lester and the Homeowners Association? This is going to be interesting because I'm trying to figure out how does a Homeowners Association have duty when it comes to firearms, unless it's something maybe in their bylaws, etc., etc. And how would they know that he, quote unquote, I guess alleged, quote unquote, racist or not? So I don't know. So, but with the claims, we shall see the outcome of this. First and foremost, in my opinion, they do have a right to seek monetary damages for this, and it works out in their favor in their outcome. But again, I think it may be hard to prove in terms of the association's duty to someone if they are quote unquote racist or not. But you know what? Let me walk that back because I do believe there is a video. Matter of fact, I'm going to find it and post it on the end. And there's a video, a clip, I'm gonna leave you guys with that, of Ralph Lester's, the white guy, a relative, maybe his grandchild or somebody, stating that he has a history of racism. So I think that particular person did an interview, and let me say alleged, that he has alleged history of racism, meaning Lester. So, but yeah, let me know your thoughts, you guys, down in the chat, down in the comment section. Do you all believe they have a strong legal case, a claim? Again, when I stated before about the criminal aspect, I'm just not feeling the charges and not sure if they will receive justice in this aspect because of the charges. To me, it's just so low ball. It's just like, huh? So, and as I said before, when it comes to criminal law, when it comes to criminal situations, when it comes to civil law, civil situations, it seems like the prosecutors, the law, those who are in charge of navigating this, it seems like they, I guess you can possibly say, quote unquote, get it right when it comes to different people who are on the receiving end. So if you get my point, I'm going to go ahead and drop some links in the description section of this post because I've done quite those on Ralph Yarl. Again, this is an unfortunate situation, and as a parent, I wouldn't, oh gosh, this is just unconscionable for your child to go through, especially in the teenage years, high school years, and sheesh. And there could be longevity issues regarding his mental health and his brain development. I mean, that is a strong possibility. Hopefully that is not the case, but I mean, you have to, think about it in that aspect as well, because he was pow-powed in the head. Woo! So let me know your thoughts, you guys, down in chat. Again, this is Legal Tuesday. Thank you all for supporting. Like, share, subscribe, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.
The white homeowner who is accused of shooting a black 16-year-old, Ralph Yarl, he pled not guilty yesterday to 2 felonies. The prosecuting attorney said there was a racial component to this case. So joining us now is Clint Ludwig. He is the grandson of Andrew Lester, and we always like to get a perspective on thinking of someone who knows him, why they might do this. So, Clint, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it.
You know, good morning.
Good morning to you. So what is your reaction? What was your reaction when you heard that your grandfather, Yarl, for ringing his doorbell?
I was disgusted. I thought it was terrible. Myself and my family stand with Ralph Yarl and seeking justice. This is a horrible tragedy. It never should have happened.
Folks are going to want to know why you're speaking out and apparently against your grandfather.
It's the right thing to do. This country happens over and over again where people get away with killing unarmed innocent black people. And I would have had the same energy for any other case like I've had over and over again in this country, like I said. But so it's the right thing to do. And people need to speak out and not make any excuses for this kind of behavior and this violence.
So you said for killing innocent black people. The prosecutor in this case has suggested that there was a racial component to it. Do you believe your grandfather is racist?
I believe he holds racist tendencies. He believes.
Why do you say that?
He's just a stock American Christian male. It's older, that's just how they are. It's the conspiracies and weird random racist things they say, and it doesn't make sense, but they're just scared.
Now, listen, you're generalizing a lot here about, you said older Christian white males, but what do you mean by that? What do you mean they're scared? Talk to me more, please.
I feel like a lot of people of that generation are caught up in this 24-hour news cycle of fear and paranoia perpetuated by some other news stations, and he was fully into that and watch Fox News all day, every day, blaring